Okay, welcome back to healthkitchen101.com, and today we're going to be unboxing some ice makers, and this is the FRIGIDAIRE 26-pound ice maker. Okay, so we got the lid off and we can have a look what's inside. This is the manual for the ice maker. Okay, it's in English and it's in French, and yeah. So let's just do it like this. Okay, right. Okay, so the styrofoam just flips off. Right, the machine comes in a protective plastic cover. So we're just going to take this off. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is the cord. So the cord is actually quite long. So this is really handy. It's much longer than your average kind of appliance. So there's not a lot to ice makers. The nice thing about this FRIGIDAIRE is it has a very clear lid. So we open this up, and here you can see the scoop is in here. So it's very secure. We just everything is securely put into place. Just remove the tape over here. Okay, and out it comes. There you got your ice tray. So this is where the ice will pop into. Ice will fall into here, and it comes with a little ice scoop as well. Okay, so basically with these ice makers, all you have to do is first you put in the water into the container at the bottom, and then you put in the ice tray. Just make sure to remove the tape here. If you don't take this out, then you know the ice is not going to work properly. The ice is not going to scoop into the basket. So we just have a look in there. Okay. And this is basically the front view. And here are the controls. When this light is on here, this just means that you have to add water. This indicator here will show you that the ice is full. And then you just select, this ice maker can make small and large cubes, bullet cubes. You simply select over there. Once you switch it on, you just select your ice cubes there. And if you have enough water in here, then automatically the ice maker will start making ice. Okay, so this is the plug that comes with the FRIGIDAIRE ice maker. It's a 3-prong plug. You can see over here, one round for the earthing and these the 2 flat prongs. And this machine runs off 115 volts. This model we bought is 60 Hertz. And it operates between 90 and 120 watts. And this ice maker can output about 26 pounds or about 12 kilograms of ice in one day or 24 hours. So we're going to plug this in and see how this machine works. Right, we plug this in. We're going to push the on power button. So now the machine is just checking the water volume, calibrating the indicators. Okay, so here you can see the power light is on, indicating the electricity is running, of course. So over here on this button, it says that you must add water. So when you run low on water, this red indicator will come on. So we're just going to open this up. And here we have filtered water. We have about just over a liter, 1.2 liters. And we're going to fill up the reservoir at the bottom. So before you switch on the machine, make sure to fill the reservoir with water, because when you switch on the machine, it's going to run the sensors and it's going to calibrate the controls here. So now we're going to put in the ice basket. We're going to close the machine and we're going to hit the power button and see what happens. Okay, and over here we've selected the small ice cubes. And we're going to see how long it takes to produce the first ice bullets. So we ran the first test on the FRIGIDAIRE Ice Maker. So we're going to see how long. It took like 7 minutes 42 seconds to make the first batch of ice. And according to the manual, it should be between 8 and 13 minutes. So it's about 8 minutes for the small cubes and 13 minutes for one cycle of making the big cubes. So the time was very good. So it was less than 8 minutes. We got our first batch. So here we can see. So the ice is actually quite fairly good quality. You can see how transparent the ice is. Here you can see the ice cubes are very much the same, similar shape, same size, which is also a good indicator of the quality of this ice maker. So just listening to this machine, it doesn't make a lot of noise. Slight volume on the fan, and it's about actually 65 decibels we measured in the silent room. So here you can see the air coming out. You can feel the warm air coming out from here. So of course, when you put this in your kitchen, you do need a certain amount of space around here and make sure that you're not blocking the fan. So now we're going to run the machine again, and this time we're going to select the large size for the ice. So we ran a second test on the FRIGIDAIRE Ice Maker, and it took approximately 13 minutes and 9 seconds. So it's basically in tune with what the manual says. It takes about 13 minutes to run one cycle of bullet ice making. So we're going to open up and have a look at the quality of the ice. So these are the large ice cubes. And here you can see the size of these ice cubes. Here you can also see the quality. Pretty much the same as the small ice cubes. Also quite a good transparent quality to this ice. Maybe the smaller cubes are a little bit more transparent. But the ice is not at all cloudy. Very little of it. Okay. So here we have the sound measuring. and we measured about 68 decibels for this test running the large ice cubes, which is only a little bit noisier, about 3 decibels than for the small ones. So there you have it. This was the unboxing of the Frigidaire EFIC with the 189. In our upcoming tests, we will showcase its performance. So stay tuned to find out how much this ice maker can produce in an hour. We'll also gauge the consistency of the ice quality and keep tabs on the noise and the decimal volume of the machine. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss out on future videos in our best ice maker testing series. In the meantime, you can visit our website healthykitchen101.com for reviews on water filters, water cooler dispensers, and products like toaster ovens, blenders, knife sharpeners, and waffle makers. This is Roger from healthykitchen101.com. Thanks for watching the video. See you again, and goodbye.